Hi everyone. So today I'll be showing you guys how to trim hair, and for this you'll need hair serum or heat protection, a hair cutting scissors and a comb. So firstly you need to spread your hair serum or heat protection on your hair evenly. So I've just separated my hair in half and I've put the serum on both sides. Your hair needs to be damp, so it's not dripping wet and it's not dry either. So just on damp hair you will then apply the serum. Then you need to comb the serum through. So once it's combed through, you want to make sure that you pull the hair straight and that you can take it between your two fingers, and you need to measure off 3 centimeters from the ends. So when you tip hair to get a healthy cut, you don't want to cut too much off your length. You just want to trim the ends, and you need to measure off 3 centimeters. So I'm actually lifting my hair a bit too high there, but I'm just nipping off the 3 centimeters that I've estimated more or less on the one side of my hair, and I'll be doing the same on the other side. So I'm using the other side of my hair just as a guide more or less, so that I can make sure that it's straight. I don't want the hair to be longer on one side because I'm just estimating 3 centimeters. I'm not actually using a measuring tool, so I'm using the other side then just as a guide, and I'm literally just nipping off the longer bits and pieces in between that I see. Okay, so I have layers in my hair, so what I'll be doing, I'll be taking the layer needs a trim as well, so I'll just be taking the layers and be doing the same to what I've done to the length of my hair. I'll just be separating it, getting the layer there, and I'll measure off 3 centimeters and just nip that also off the layer. If you are interested in my next video, I have decided to do bangs again. My bangs have grown out, so I will be recutting them, and you're most welcome to watch my next video. I'll include a link below, so then you can see how I cut my bangs also. And sorry, I'm a neat freak like that in terms of, or being precise in terms of my lines for my layers, and just in general. So please make sure to use a comb and not use your fingers only, because you need the hair to be smooth when you cut it. Also, please make sure that you are using hair cutting scissors and not just a paper scissors or a kitchen scissors, or even I've seen videos where people use a knife even. Please do not cut your hair with a knife. Please use hair cutting scissors. So there you can see I've measured off my centimeters again. That looks a little bit less than 3 centimeters. I'm not too sure, but I'm aiming for 3 centimeters. So looking back at the video now, looks like it's a little bit less, but I'm still getting the ends to be healthy off the. And then I'm just point cutting, so that when you hold the scissors upward, and I'm just point cutting up into the hair. So I'll just take the further ends then to make sure that they are even when they hang downward. As you can see, I held the hair in front of me as to get some more layering in that hair, and I've noticed there's a little bit of a difference there, so I will then just top those ends there, as you can see, just to make sure that the hair hangs evenly when I've styled it. Okay, so my hair is now trimmed and healthy, so I'm just giving it a good comb out. Unfortunately myself, I've got very fine hair, so it tangles very quickly.